Good morning all. I was just going to do a quick video demonstration of how to set the default user because I didn't know if my email was clear enough. So if we start the application, it'll bring up the login screen. Type in your first name, last name, and password. And is not a valid user, so you go ahead and create a new user. Type in the first name, last name, password, and then click on the character you want to be. Now, to log in, just simply start up the application. You type in first name, last name, your password. You'll see it's a valid character because you popped up there. To navigate between these three fields, you can either hit tab or up and down, or you can put the mouse over the field and you click in login. Now, because we're developers and we don't want to have to sit there and log in every time, I've set up a way for us to set a default user. If you load up your bin x86 debug assets directory, that's where my files are located. Yours might be different. It's wherever your game is compiled to. The asset directory within that. You'll see in there's a file with a GUID on it. That is a randomly generated GUID that ties the player name and gender to their player information. So you copy that GUID, open up your game data.dat file, and in the root game data general player info node, create a new node called default player key. Copy and paste the key of the player that you want to be default. Note also you can set default difficulty for when players log in, and you can set the default data file location so that you can use a network drive to store player data. This sets the full screen. Also, when you make the default player key, make sure you put this type equals system.string with the quotes and all that, because that attribute will tell the application what type of data is in that node. Go ahead and save it, and then if you load up again, and let's let it load, it will automatically load into the application. I hope this has been helpful. If not, give me an email. Thank you. Bye.